In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and St. Richard's won and decided to send Ensom City first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Ensom, what is the only gospel which is not synoptic?
Matthew.
Incorrect. John. St. Richard's. Bible knowledge. Which daughter-in-law of Naomi did not return to Naomi's country with her?
Orpah.
Correct. Science. Glucose and oxygen are the products of which process in nature, Ensom?
Photosynthesis.
That's correct. Science. St. Richard's. Apart from water, what else does a plant require for photosynthesis to take place?
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Incomplete. Carbon dioxide and sunlight is what we're looking for. International affairs, a visual question. Ensom, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Brazil. Brazil.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Venezuela. Venezuela.
Correct. English language. Ensom, spell porcupine.
Porcupine.
That's right. English language. St. Richard's, spell pristine.
Pristine.
That's right. Television, a visual question. Ensom, look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this actress and talk show host.
Daily Harris.
Incorrect. It's Oprah Winfrey. Television, a visual question. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this actress.
Viola Davis.
That is correct. And some general knowledge, what color usually symbolizes peace?
White.
Or blue, that's correct. General knowledge, St. Richard's, what emotion is regarded as the green-eyed monster?
Jealousy. Jealousy.
Or envy, that's correct. Social studies, and what is the name for a flat, low-lying area between two mountains or hills?
Valley. Valley.
Correct. Social studies, St. Richard's, what is the name for a large, dry, hot area of land which receives little or no rainfall throughout the year?
Desert. Desert.
That's correct. Ensom, music, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Barry Simon.
That is correct. St. Richard's, music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Freddie McGregor. Freddie McGregor.
That's correct. Mathematics, Ensom, what is the sum of 23.62 and 19.89?
43.51.
That's correct. Mathematics, St. Richard's, what is the sum of 28.87 and 45.78?
74.65.
That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Ensom, look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer.
Andre Russell.
Incorrect. Dwayne Bravo. Sports, a visual question for you also, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer.
Shivnarine Chanderpaul. Shivnarine Chanderpaul.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs, Ensom, in which parish in Jamaica? And we don't have time for that. Or any more questions? That is the end of section 1. And the scores are St. Richard's on 9 and Ensom City on 7. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Monitor your cell phone and social media screen time. Set a maximum limit for each day which you will not exceed. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.